Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and this is Louie, and Louie is gonna pick my makeup today. I'm gonna insert the video of her doing it, and then I'm gonna put on everything that she chooses for me. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Lou, say, let's get into it.
No, I do it. No, play the happy heart.
Oh, happy heart.
Mine smell.
Ooh. Ooh, Louie, you're a star. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
You gonna pick out my primer? Okay, pick one. Which one do you like? Which one's the prettiest? Which one do you like?
The big.
You want this one?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so she picked the Lorac Light Source Primer.
Okay.
And now you're gonna pick a foundation, okay?
I see.
A foundation.
Find the AC.
Foundation, yes.
Yay.
Okay, there are the foundations. Which one do you like? Pick one.
Big.
Which one?
Big.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, she picked the True Match,
And then
L'Oreal.
the,
Alright, let's pull out the other stuff. Alright, now it's time to pick out concealer. Which concealer do you want to do? We have MAC, Water Weight, Born This Way, Too Faced. You want to do Water Weight?
Yes.
Okay, good choice.
Oops. Sorry.
Alright, now we're going to pick a powder. Which powder do you like?
Pilot.
Look, look. You have all of these. Which ones do you like?
Beast.
This one?
Yes.
The MAC Skin Finish? Alright. Which one do you like?
Beast.
You want that one? Okay, that's the Pretty Vulgar bronzer.
One triangle.
Yeah, it's pretty.
One triangle.
Yep. Alright, now pick which blush you like.
Brush. This.
You like that one?
Yes.
This one?
Yes. Straight.
Are you sure?
Yes. I need a heart.
You like the heart?
Yes.
Okay, the Too Faced heart?
Yes.
Okay, pick which one you like. Pick it up.
Yes.
That one?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Good choice.
Louie.
It's Louie in there. You're right. Alright, now we're picking out highlighters. Which one do you like, Lou? Look at all of them.
Heart.
You like the heart?
Yes.
Pick which one you like.
Heart.
The heart?
Yes.
Then that is what we will use.
The beast diamond.
The diamond?
Not.
Oh, okay.
Beast.
You like that one?
Yay.
Okay, pick which one. Final answer. Is that it?
On the beast heart.
Oh, Jesus.
No circle.
Oh, the circle?
Diamond.
The diamond?
Yes.
Okay, then that's what we'll do. We picked Girl's Best Friend by Makeup Revolution.
And heart.
Alright, now you have to get to pick 3 lipsticks out of here, okay? Pick one out of here. Pick one. Which one do you like out of the nudes?
Blue.
You like that one?
Yay.
Okay, pick it out.
B.
Pick it out. Alright, so we picked Milk Makeup and Cream. Now pick one out of here. Pick one in the middle. Which one do you like?
Blue. What is that?
You picked another Milk Makeup. Okay, this is in Name Drop. Now pick one out of here. Which one do you like out of the dark ones?
One.
Ooh, is this... Okay, this is gifted from ColourPop. This is an Ultra Satin. Alright, so she can't really get into the ones on top, so we're just going to pretend these palettes don't exist. So she's going to pick 2 palettes from these 2 baskets of eyeshadow palettes, and I'll have to use whatever she picks. So she picked the Lime Crime... Oh shoot, did I depot this? So she picked the Lime Crime Venus palette, and she picked the Too Faced Gingerbread cookie palette from Holidays Past. Okay, that's it. You're done. Look at me. Great job.
Yay.
Say great job, Louie.
No, try.
Well, that's it. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, buddy.
Alright, so we're going with my Milani eye primer. Alright, so we have the Venus palette from Lime Crime. This is like the original one. And then we have the Too Faced Gingerbread Cookie palette that's from one of their like holiday collections that they came out with. I don't remember what year this is from though. Okay, yay. So this has like a nice matte bone shade. So we're just gonna go in with that real quick. Use my SL Miss Glam SB68 brush. So these like Too Faced holiday collections were something I had to like fall for every single year. I haven't bought anything probably for like the last 2 years. I haven't bought anything, but they're so cute. Like every year I'm like, oh god, but they kind of just end up being the same thing repackaged in a different way. Alright, so now I think I'm going to go into this Rebirth shade. There's not too many mattes in this palette. Well, actually I'm lying. There's a bunch of mattes, but nothing that I can really just jump in and use. So I'm gonna take this kind of, it's like a satin shade. It's, oh, okay. Ooh, okay. Both my daughter, or my oldest daughter, and my son were like, oh, why don't you do it where Lou does your makeup? I'm like, that will be a nightmare of a video. I'm like, she wouldn't be able to sit still long enough to do my fucking makeup. It's a cute idea though. Ugh, I love this shade. Wow. I don't think I've ever used this shade. And I've had this palette for years. I think we're gonna go into this kind of burnt orange shade right here. All right, I have to dip into this somehow, but I don't know how to incorporate two palettes. We're gonna go right into this shimmery brown right here. And I'm gonna start just deepening this whole eye look up. There's like sparkles in this, but I don't think it's gonna show up, which is fine. Ooh, ooh, God, that's dark, okay. Oh God, okay. Oh, you can actually see the sparkles, cool. I think we're actually going to do some kind of cut crease because I just gotta. And I think I'm definitely gonna use one of these metallic shades from this Too Faced palette because these are like crazy. Oh my God, this color is sensational. I thought it was gonna be one of those colors that like looked really cool in the pan and then you like got it on your brush and it's like not even half as cool as it looks. This is actually as cool as it looks. Because you think when your brush picks up a color that has sparkles in it, the sparkles are gonna stay on the brush and the matte shades, all that's gonna show up, but no, like everything showed up on my eye. I love that combination actually. It looks kind of weird, but kind of cool. Let's just keep going with this whole weird thing. And I'm gonna pick one of these shades. I kind of want to do this one, but I really want to do this like penny shade up here. Let me swatch them both. Oh yeah, the penny we're gonna have to do. This one's pretty, but it looks like it's just gonna show up like meh. This one's like a mirror, so we're gonna do this one. So I'm gonna finish this side off camera and then we'll go on the rest of my face, so I'll be right back. All right, so lashes are done, brows are done. Now we're gonna go in with primer. My friend Ellie, who is the one who like sends me stuff every month, she sent me this to try. This is the Lorac Light Source 3-in-1 Illuminating Primer. She knows I like primers that are illuminating and more like a lotion and less like silicone slippery crap. And it just so happened this is what Louie picked out. Ooh, it's got like that opalescent hue to it. Well, it definitely feels like lotion. And I am shiny as shit. Okay, so once it actually gets absorbed, you look wet, but you don't look opalescent like you first do when it first goes on. All right, so let's see how this concealer and foundation sit on it, because I did actually put it under my eyes because I love putting primer under my eyes. All right, so Lou picked out one of my favorites, the MAC Water Weight Concealer. If you have oily under eyes, you don't want to use this. If you have dry under eyes, you may love this. It's incredibly hydrating. I like to put my concealer on first because I like a natural kind of looking concealer. I have bags under my eyes, but no concealer is gonna fucking fix that. But luckily my discoloration isn't that horrific. All right, Lou picked out the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup in the shade Neutral N3. And this looks kind of dark. I don't know if it's gone bad. I might turn out orange. This says neutral, but this is a very warm, like this, and even when I first bought it, it's just warm. Like, I don't see anything neutral about this. It is really pretty though. It has a really pretty finish. Unfortunately, I don't use this enough to know how much of the kind of luminance to my face is because of the primer or because of the foundation. But obviously I'm gonna use this more to see, but that looks really pretty, right? Right? Next, we're gonna go on with powder. This used to be one of my favorite powders ever. This is the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Medium Plus. It's just beautiful. It has a little bit of coverage, nothing heavy though. It just really makes your skin look blurred and pretty and just overall healthy and nice. It just looks nice. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E2 brush. I really wanna try to get into this brush more because it's really cool looking. So we're gonna go into the Pretty Vulgar bronzer in Bronze Mannikin, number 113. I got this in a BoxyCharm. Now for blush, again, it's an old favorite. This is the Too Faced Love Flush Blush in Love Hangover. Just a really pretty neutral peachy pink. And this is my trusty Morphe E4 brush. This was like an OG Jaclyn Hill favorite before she owned Morphe. Oh, that's a lot of blush. This highlighter. If you've never tried Make Revolution highlighter, first off, you get a shit fucking ton. You will never use this in your lifetime. This is the Girl's Best Friend Triple Baked Highlighter. And actually, we're gonna save this for last. I need to finish my under eye, so give me 2 minutes. So we're gonna pick a lipstick. And whereas I wanna use the nude because I feel like it'll be the least offensive, we'll do one of the fun colors because a kid picked out my makeup, so let's make it look like a kid picked out my makeup. So we have the Milk Makeup Lip Color in the shade Name Drop, and this is an amazing shade. Like, yeah. Or we have Gifted from ColourPop, which is a liquid satin, an ultra satin liquid lipstick. And this is like a, I don't know what shade this is. We're gonna do that one. Let's do that one. All right, and now, without further ado, let's douse ourselves in this amazing highlighter. First, I'm gonna put it in my inner corner because that's what I like to do. Ugh. All right, now I'm gonna take my Morphe R36 brush. No, I don't have a code or anything like that. I just think Morphe brushes are great. Their shadows are questionable. Oh, you. Oh my god. This gives you wet cheeks. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Alright guys, so this was it. What do you guys think of the makeup that Louie picked out? And just a heads up, too, as an addition to some of my new videos coming up, I am going to start doing a weekly vlog. It's basically going to be like a trial. I don't know how people are going to react to it. I'm probably going to lose a bunch of subscribers, which is okay. Not everybody loves vlogs, but I don't want this to completely turn into a different kind of channel. This is a makeup channel. It's going to stay a makeup channel, but I kind of want to dip my feet into other aspects like vlogging and kind of see how that rubs everybody and see if it's worth continuing or to just scrap the whole idea and do something else. So if you're down with that, make sure you let me know in the box below. If you're not down with that, well, keep it to yourself. And make sure you tell me what product I used today you liked the best. I definitely am gonna give this more tries because I love the way everything's sitting on my face. Like, my skin looks incredibly smooth. So I'm definitely gonna play with this more. So thanks, Allie. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.